Come on, let's go and see the animals.
Yes, please.
Look, can you see a deer?
No, I can't.
I can see it.
It's behind a tree. Can you see a fox?
No, I can't.
Look, the fox is next to the lake.
Oh, come on, Nina. It's your turn.
I can see an owl. Where is it? It's over there. It's in front of the tree. Look, can you see a spider? I can see the spider. It's on the rock.
I can see a deer.
I can see a fox. I can see a spider.
Oh, I can see a hedgehog.
Where?
It's behind you. Oh.